Is your skin dry, damaged, or lacking glow? I'm going to share a powerful natural remedy using palm oil, licorice root, and carrot. This oil will help to heal and restore your skin. So, this is a simple skincare remedy that is packed with vitamins that will nourish, repair, and give you that soft and radiant look. So, the simple ingredients we are going to be using is carrot, licorice root, and palm oil. Palm oil contains vitamins and nutrients that will help to repair damaged skin and also moisturize the skin. Licorice root will help to brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and help to soothe skin irritation. It also has anti-aging properties. Why carrot is rich in beta carotene, which will help to support skin repair, improve skin tone, and glow. You can decide to do the fresh carrot method, but the only problem is that it's not going to last for a long time. Because I want this oil to last for a long time, I'll be making sure that all the ingredients are dry. Dried grated carrot. So the carrot is dry. Then for the licorice root, I'm going to be grating the licorice root to get the licorice powder. So if you don't want to use this method, you can cut the licorice root into smaller pieces, pound it, and use your blender to blend it into a fine powder. But this is a quick method for me because I'm not using so much. So with the grater, I'm going to grate. I just need a tablespoon of licorice root powder. So into the pot, I'll be adding the licorice root powder. Then the grated carrot. So I'm going to be adding the palm oil. Palm oil are rich in fatty acids, vitamin A and E. Stir to combine. So I'm going to be heating this on a low heat so that all the ingredients from the licorice root and carrot will immerse into the oil. So I'm going to be heating this on a low heat so that all the nutrients from the licorice root and carrots will enter into the oil. I'm going to do this for at least for about 3 minutes on a low heat. So on a low heat, I'm going to be heating the oil gently so that all the nutrients will enter into the oil. So all the nutrients from the carrot and licorice root will enter into the oil. I'm not bleaching the oil. This is a low heat. So I'm done. I'm going to remove it and add it into a jar and leave it to infuse further for at least till the next day. You can leave it to infuse for more days, but I need it quickly. That's why I'm heating the oil. So I'm going to cover it and leave it to sit for at least 2 days. You can decide to leave this to sit for some weeks. It depends. So after infusing this for about 2 days or more, I'm going to warm up the oil using double boiler method. When I'm done warming up the oil, I'm going to filter to get the oil. So you can apply this oil at night on a clean washed skin. It will help to heal dry and damaged skin. So this oil will help to tone, smoothen and moisturize your skin. So this oil can blend easily with shea butter, aloe vera, coconut oil.